Good morning from Goose Trail for Kids. This is day 22. And it's a fantastic morning. You see the sun just rising on the horizon. We are on Georgian Bay and coming to you now from our new home base for the next several days, just between Owen Sound and Wyerton. We crossed over 600 kilometers yesterday, and last night me and the guys were doing some of the numbers, and we're going to be presenting something later on, but we figure up to this point we've crossed almost 940,000 steps by way of pedometer over those 623 kilometers that we've come across so far. But more importantly, we have had such a phenomenal response from all of our friends and people who come along to support, whether we know them or not. They're finding out about the trek. They like the initiative that's being taken, and they particularly like the angle that's being taken. We had a great day yesterday with Blessed Sacrament online session that we had in FaceTime. We have one today with St. Teresa of Calcutta, and it's a fantastic day. The temperatures are great, and we're having a lot of fun. This has gone from being something that was more of an endurance test at times to something that is just really enjoyable, and we're really enjoying all the reasons we've done it for. Goose Trail for Kids.